I make a video on YouTube channel for Chronometer, and on that video I get a comment to how we can reset our chronometer with the help of reset button. For that request I am going to make this video. So in this video, earlier we have the facility to start, stop and change the format of our chronometer, but we don't have the facility to reset it. Means when you stop it, it will start from where we start. Okay, but due to request I need to modify my earlier video and introduce reset functionality. Here you can check, when I click on reset, the chronometer is reset. When I restart, start from beginning, and when I reset, it's working. So how you can do that? For that we need to first of all take a one button in our design for reset. Earlier its button is not there, so we need to take one button and align, set the horizontal constraint for this button. It should be center in parent, and set the top constraint. Okay, and change the value for this to reset and reset. Okay, and okay, now we need to modify some code here. Initially our stop button is disabled, means when is chronometer start, then it's enabled. Initially it's disabled. And same with the reset, change the ID here to button reset, and initially it's Android enabled false. Okay, and for this start and stop button is also enabled false. Okay, initially our only start button is enabled, and reset and other buttons are disabled. So I need to apply listener on this, on button click. Apart from that, we need to write a identify our reset button ID here. Okay, and we need to write a logic here for our reset functionality and for our start and stop functionality here. Okay, apart from this we need to modify our this as well, stop. Okay, for that means what is the logic to reset our function, because by default our chronometer is not support reset functionality. But how can we do that? I will give you a little bit idea about that. Means we have two property. With the help of we can achieve that. One is system clock, real elapsed time, and another one is our base, chronometer base. And on our start we database again, and we will means basically we will track of our chronometer and further progress, and on a stop we will store the value of last where our chronometer is stopped, and store in a variable, and when we start we will minus that variable in a lapse time so that it can start from there. So for that I uh, need to take a variable. Variable name should be offset, and value type is long, and initial value is 0. Okay, and apart from this we need to first when is start is clicked, then we need to disable this button start dot is enabled false, and button dot reset is button dot stop, button dot stop is enabled true, button dot reset is enabled false. Okay, we will enable our this button only when we click on a stop or reset button. So for that stop false, and start is false, it's also false, and it's true. Okay, so for that, for reset, when reset is clicked, then we will timer is timer dot base is equal to system clock system clock dot elapsed real time and set offset offset is equal to 0, means it come into previous state like default state. So offset is equal to 0. Okay, so and disable this button reset dot is enabled false, and here for this we will start chronometer, and we will timer dot base is equal to system clock dot elapsed real time minus offset and here we will initialize our offset is equal to system clock real time minus timer dot base. Okay, So let's try to run this and yes, stop this, like first stop this. Yes, okay. So let's run our application and check the output if everything is working fine or not. Okay, so you can understand here with the two properties we are tracking our progress of our chronometer, and when we click on a reset, we reset their functionality. Let's start our chronometer. So it's is working when we click this, and there is one problem, means when we click on a stop, our button should be not start button should be true. So let's run again and check the output. Now reset, click on a reset. Yes, it's resetting, but there is a problem with our this button, and as well as when we click on our this. So okay, now it's launched. So start our chronometer, and when it start, and then you need to stop this and reset. Okay, start again. There is some thing we need to improve here. We need to first start, we need to set this earlier and start after that. There is some delay when I click on start. So stop and reset. So it's working. So test again. Start chronometer and stop it and reset. So that's all for this video, and please share, like and subscribe my channel, and if you have specific kind of requirement, please share with me. I will try my best and make a video on that. Thank you very much.